Hi, I'm Earius. Today I'll be showing how to replace your dryer's motor plate. Many of your places part of your motor plate has become cracked or damaged. This repair will take approximately 25 minutes. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of channel lock pliers. If you're not already possessing a dryer motor plate, you can order one from our website. Before starting your repair with any appliance, make sure to disconnect it from its power source. Once you turn your dryer around, you can begin removing this flap. Now we remove the screws around it. As you begin taking out the last screw, make sure you hold the back panel so it doesn't fall on the floor. Alright, once you're done removing the back panel, you can take off the backsplash. Slides out like so. And then we're going to go into the dryer and take some screws out. You're going to open the door. You need to locate the screws, which one is located right here. Once you remove the 2 screws, you just close the door like so. Now we can move back up top. To remove the top panel after you've taken out the screws, all you do is just lift it. It slides right off. You're going to take your nut driver and begin removing your bolts. Be careful, the edge is very sharp. Once you take out the nuts, the door basically falls off. All you do is lift it ever so slightly. Go to the side. Some wires on the bottom left hand side you need to disconnect. And you just place your door to the side. To remove your dryer's belt, all you need to do is put it on an angle. You're going to reach back with 2 hands. There's a pulley inside, which the belt is on. Your belt's over your motor shaft and pulley like so. So take a little bit of force. You're going to push it down. Once you lock it back, it relieves tension on the belt. And you take the belt off your drum. Once you loosen up your belt, you can just remove your drum from the dryer, pick it up, slide it right out. After you take out the drum, you can find your cycling thermostat, which is located right in the front by the blower. First, you're going to unscrew this black screw right here, which will loosen up the thermostat. You can take that screw and put it to the side. You'll get it in just a second. Take your thermostat, the old thermostat, take it out. Make sure you acknowledge where all the wires are. To get the wires off your thermostat, you may need to use a flathead screwdriver. You need to remove your 2 black screws in the front. To remove your motor, first you want to remove the screws in the back. So you unplug your switch interlock right by the Adler arm. Take your wires, move them out your way. To remove your motor, you will just pick it up and slide it back. You're going to start in the front by the blower wheel, loosen it up of course, take your pliers, rotate your blower wheel counterclockwise, take that off, put it to the side. I find it easier to remove your Allen arm before you start taking out your nuts and your screws. Put it to the side, take your 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the 2 nuts in the front. And there's one more nut right behind this plate. You can remove the nut. There's one more thing we need to loosen before we take the motor out. Black piece right here. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver. So push it out and up. It pops right off. Place that to the side. Now you can remove the old motor. Slides off in the back, like so. Before you replace your motor plate, make sure you take out your switch lock. You're gonna need a Phillips head. Just start unscrewing it. Alright, put your switch interlock to the side. Discard your old motor plate. Bring in your new motor plate, which you can order on our website, and you can begin replacing the parts. Start with a simple switch interlock. You're going to take your nut driver and begin placing the nuts back in. Slide it into the compartment. You're going to make sure you line it up and begin screwing. Forget to install your black screw. Tighten up the front end. Once you've done that, it's going to be a little easier to install the back piece. Place on the side. Line it up. Install the bottom first, followed by the top, which will require a little extra pressure. Alright, you're just going to push it. You're going to put your finger right here. It's easy. Easy push and it snaps right in. And now you can put it back into your dryer. You're going to thread your wire back underneath the motor and install the proper position. You install your screws. Take your thermostat, place it into the hole. Make sure you slide it in properly. And you can begin attaching the wires to your new thermostat. Take your black screw and your Phillips head screwdriver. Begin screwing it in. Begin reinstalling it. First put it on your drum, like so. Make sure the lines are face down. You can use the belt actually to lift it. Slide it into place. Once again, we're going to put it on an angle. Make sure to place your belt around the motor and the pulley wheel. Release it. Tighten your belt up, and you're ready to begin drying once you put your dryer back together. Before you put the front door back on, make sure you connect your wires. You're going to pick up your dryer's front door, place it on the slots. Slides right into place. You're going to need to pick up your drum ever so slightly. Slide your front door inside of it. Once you have your top panel back on, you're going to take your long screws and your Phillips head screwdriver. Once you put the tabs back in to the top panel, make sure the sides are locked in properly. Now all we have to do is put our back panel back on. Take your heat shield, put it back in. Once you've completed your repair, don't forget to reconnect it to its power source. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. We do these videos so the average person can complete their own appliance repairs. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.